All right, guys. Whew. I didn't know what to do with my hair. Let me see. I should have had a clip. They're so long. Jeez Louise.
Okay guys, we're home now. We're gonna get some eating food for Daddy's house. Give me my new house back. Because Because children like my beats, guys. It's still enormous. Because my Gemini is my mom's dear. Because I'm getting my new house. Let me know. I'm going to get some new house. Let me know. I have an idea. Do you remember Uncle Cory says avocado toast? You know, I have avocado toast. Avocado toast means avocado toast. Because I want to make it bigger to you. Just no. Let me know. I have more pop-ups.
Let me get my stuff. You silly? You gonna be with mommy?
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Costa. It's my friend Mommy.
Aww. How old are you? You're 3?
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to find some Mama in this house.
New house, new car, I see you.
Yeah, like these ones.
Yeah? Do you know which one you're getting?
Yeah. to the block. Look, the block.
So cute. See it from here, come down. Look at the screen. All right. You see it? And it's gonna come down. Yay. Yes, baby.
I can help you get.
And there it is. It's show mommy the coin. Let me see it.
Okay, this is the coin. You gotta pick the card. You gotta put it in there.
Yes.
You gotta pick the card and see what's happening in there. She gonna say, boom, and now she boom. Now we can go get it.
It came out of. Thank you. I'm in my new car. Sky, how do you like the new car?
Good.
You like it?
Because I want to relax.
You like your little designated spot back there? You're so cute. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm like just in shock. I can't even believe I got a new car. It hasn't hit me yet. I've been driving it around. I have a full tank of gas. I've been driving it around a little bit, test driving it and seeing how I like it. It drives really good. It's really easy to steer, almost too easy to steer, so I have to make sure I control the wheel, but I love it. I'll show you. Very basic car. Just enough to commute. I have a little touchscreen right here, some buttons. Hold on, baby. This is the that stuff. Got the keys. Shout out to my best friend. New keychain. She got me for Christmas, I think last year. So it's perfect to go on my new car ring. And yeah, I like the color. It's not what I was expecting. It's very definitely lighter than how I was expecting it to be, but it's okay. All is well. My mirror is so pretty and clear, which I like. Yes, Pump.
Where's your money?
Where's my money?
Yeah.
In my account?
Yeah.
Where's your money? So yeah, it's a Hyundai Electra. I don't know too much about cars. I was just looking online, and this one kind of caught my eye because of the color and the inside. Yeah, we got two, and I got like a little sunglasses case right here. I can put my sunglasses, which I have like a lot of them, so I can just like place them up there. Where's my other pair? I have, oh here, I have one right here. I got a pen and a little notebook pad thing and a little cup, which is cute. I got that for free, so that was nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, thank you for watching my vlog. This has been such a day. I have to work today, so that's fun, but the show must go on. And thank you for watching this vlog. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.